Now this is all the light I have, so you're just going to have to bear with me. And the one downstairs that I took off, it was giving me some fits, so I'm hoping that this smoke alarm comes off a little bit easier. They all kind of come off slightly the same, but slightly differently. This one has a little tab on the side that I have to kind of depress, because when I installed it, it clicked on. So to get it off of those little things, I have to undo a little side thing, and then hopefully I can unscrew it to the left without much trouble. And the last one, like I said, it kind of snapped off the back side, and they're easier to get on than they are to get off for some reason. I don't know why that is. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, good. All right, that's the first thing. And see, before I do anything else, I'm not going to try to pull the wires out through this little adapter that's screwed onto the back side. I'm going to unclip it, and this one I just depress it and pull it off. Okay. And sometimes hardwired smoke alarms like this, you know, they all have a battery backup. This one happens to have a 10-year lithium battery backup. So if it chirps at me, the smoke alarm, it might because the battery, because it's in battery mode now. You see what I mean? Now, before I pull anything out, I'm just going to take my mounting bracket off. And that's attached with 2 screws that's going up into the junction box. Okay, you only have to take the screws out a little ways. Then you can swivel this around and it comes off the screw heads. And I want to kind of look at stuff and kind of remember how I'm pulling things apart, because I want to put it back on this very same way. Okay, I just swivel it over and move it right over the screw heads. Kaboom. And see, this one, this one's different too. This happens to be on a square, a rectangular junction box, and I was hoping that was going to be the case downstairs, but it wasn't. The ones downstairs, they had round boxes, but see, this is a rectangular box, and you can install hardwired smoke alarms over a rectangular box. When I put that back on, I want to put it on in such a way to where it's going to cover where the painters painted around the smoke alarm, okay? Because sometimes you might think, oh, okay, does it matter? Maybe you figure out how to put the mounting bracket back up there, and it doesn't fit exactly. But this is all it is, little mounting bracket. And see all the different holes? I mean, this thing is designed to fit 3 different hole sizes. One this way, or 2 this way, because when you flip it this way, that's one size. When you take it and flip it this way, that's another size box. And when you take it right here and push it up this way, that's another size box. So 3 boxes. So it fits the round boxes, it fits the square boxes. If I were to have to take that box out, oh, that'd be way easy, because there's only 2 nails attached to that box. Okay, unlike the round boxes. If you know anything about electrical, you'll know on a round box how it's much harder to get that out, to cut it out. And I show you that on the ones downstairs, okay? I'm just taking you up here with the video camera. And you see, that box is pretty full, isn't it? Look at that. I'm going to have to look at that, and I'm going to hope that this box is deep enough to where I feel I can get another set of wires up in there, and it probably is. If I push this up, I'll just have to take a look. If it's a shallow type box, I could take this box out and put a deeper cut-in box in there in its place if I had to, but I don't think I have to. Or if it's a small box, you get up in the attic, you can put a taller regular nail-on box, and then you'd have to nail it on from up above. You know what I mean? So see how this this adapter is. So now I know that the power's off. So now but I'm still careful when I pull out the wires and that, you know. See, this one happens to have red too, I believe. I'm gonna set this back down on the tripod and get back up here. Okay, in a minute. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.